We will install MongoDB on Windows in this video. Go to install MongoDB on Windows. You can get documentation in tutorial/install MongoDB Windows. Go to Download Center. There you need to download the MongoDB community server. In the description, I'll paste all the links that you have to go to and download the MongoDB. This installation will take some time, so I'll skip the downloading part, and then after downloading, open the file, click next, agree terms, and then click next. You can click on the complete. So I'll leave the default and click next. This again will take some time to install. So MongoDB is installing on your system. After finish, click on finish. Then after completing, open terminal and go to the C folder. Then give make directory empty data/db. So a data directory and db folder is created. So you can see data folder is created, and inside data you can do dir. db folder has got created inside data. After this, go to the website and MongoDB website and copy the start MongoDB database command on your terminal. So click enter. Your MongoDB